Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to pivot table on the Excel application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Excel application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. If you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll need to go and download it through a Microsoft Store or through any browser you're currently using. Of course, you'll not go and download the Excel application, you'll have to download the whole Office pack, which is going to download Excel with it. And of course, then you can install whatever application you don't want to have. So once you download it or you already have it, just go and open it up as I'm going to do here. And once you're here, this is going to be your home screen. Of course, once you're here, you have to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. And you must have an activated account so you can use the application, because the Office apps are actually paid. If you want to use them, you'll have to pay. And once you're done or you're ready to use the application, you can just go here and click at new, so you can actually uh, create a blank workbook, or just choose some of their templates, or you can just go and open some of your saved file if you have on your PC. For me, I'm just going to open a blank workbook, and as we said, we would like to pivot a table on the Excel application. So how can I create a pivot table in Excel for Windows? Of course, you can just select first of all the cells that you want to create a pivot table from. So let's say, for example, let's write like something in the cells so we don't get confused. Hi, test, I don't know, H, 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 D, 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 D. So let's say as an example, this is going to be our table. So it just selects all of this. Now you would like to go to this insert button, and now you would like to look for this pivot table. As you can see, here's it. You can just click on it, so you have the pivot table, or you can just go here and click to choose from table range or from extend data source. So for us, we're just going to click here at this button. As you can see, the table range, you can select it, or if you already like selected it, that's this will appear here only already. As you can see, choose where you want to pivot table to be placed, like new worksheet or existing one. For us, we would like existing one. Of course, you can choose the location if you want, so then you click as okay. Of course, we would like to add the location, so let's just add one. We can, like, I don't know, like here, and go down, click as okay, and that will be it. As you can see, this will be our pivot table. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.